Good morning friends. Today I'll be telling you how to grow cuttings of clematis. This is an excellent vine. This is the clematis armandi and you see the cuttings are taken. Select a good healthy branch and take around 6 to 7 cuttings here, and the cuttings will be length of around 7 to 8 inches will be nice for taking cuttings. Here our assistant Montu Ghodai is taking cuttings from this clematis, and this is a nice vine, I tell you, for the beautiful for fencing and for curtain vine. This is the excellent, and they can grow up to 20 to 30 meters length in your walls, and there will be millions of flowers of this clematis, and there comes in varieties of flowers. You see, he is showing you how to take cuttings, how to dress it properly. Some single branch, how to take proper dressing of the single branch, remove the lower sides leaves from here, lower sides branches also, and at the tips also they will be removing the branches here and the leaves here, and this is the branch ready for growing as a cuttings. You see, this is the cuttings here taken, and now preparing soil for growing cuttings. Take some rooting hormone powder and dip it in and push it in the soil mix, and you see how they are just grow in garden soil only. The garden soil is enough for growing the cuttings. Just dip the base here in 1 inch in rooting hormone powder and just push it down to the soil, the wet soil that I prepared here, and that pushing it down, and every day water it every day properly. Keep it in semi-shade area. In 20 days you will see all the roots will grow. I'll show you the updates, everything. Now this is the final position. Welcome back friends. After 20 days, you see this is the day 20 and all the cuttings are grown here and cuttings are ready to be transplanted, and you see the roots and base. You can see some of the roots are here, and now time to transplant it. And here is the 7-inch pot, and the base soil mix here is taken: garden soil, vermicompost and cocopeat. These three items are mixed properly, and put some soil here, soil mix, and take out the cuttings from here. And you see, this is the cutting, and the roots are grown here after 20 days. And now transplant can 5-inch or 7-inch pot or 6-inch pot, whatever you like, and now growing them in pots, transplanting them in the pots. And this is the drainage hole here, covering with some chips, and now putting some soil here, soil mix, and again transplanting a small cuttings here. You see, this is the cuttings, and if you want you can buy these cuttings from any nursery. They sell around 20 rupees each, so cuttings are easily available in the nurseries, and this plant will grow into up to 20 to 30 meters long, and thousand millions of flowers you can see. So this is time ready, and now water it properly. Keep it in semi-shade area for 3 to 4 days, then keep it out full sunlight, and they will grow very fast. So this is the ready. Welcome back friends. After 40 days, if you want to grow in some pots or containers, just make a arched trellis here with a bamboo stick, arched trellis. How the Montu Ghodai is making the arched tricks, crisscross arched trees here, and this is the making of arched trellis. And just bind it with some string, give a knot with some string to keep the two sticks in its position, firm position here. Now bind the twigs and these branches here. This is the beautiful vine, and you can get hundreds and thousands of flowers, beautiful scented flowers. So this is nice one. They have the more than 300 species are there for this clematis, and there comes in single color, double color, multiple color, single petal, multiple petal, and this beautiful, and so many varieties are there in clematis. You can search any of this in any of the nursery. You can get these plants, and if you want these kinds of pots with this trellis also, you can get it around 80 rupees. You can buy it ready. So this is the ready. And friends, after 55 days you have to put some fertilizer here. This is the mustard cake mixed with some of NPK Supola 10-26-26. NPK Supola 10-26-26. Around 2 tablespoonful of this is enough for putting here, and nothing extra you have to give any kinds of fertilizer. This two only, mustard cake powder and the Supola NPK 10-26-26. Friends, this is the 70 days seen here, and the plants is full grown, you see, and they are ready, and new buds will be coming very soon and beautiful, and they will be full of bloom here. Friends, this is the scene of 100 days and all the bloom seems coming, the flowers started coming. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a share. If you want to share, please share it, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.